我们不来是你的王子，
也许你不会懂，送你是爱我以后。
Stay tuned. This is the cruise ship that we're gonna board soon. Getting to Marina Bay Cruise Center is a breeze using Grab. Once you're at the cruise center, you're required to show your sail pass to an usher who will guide you to the testing facility. You have to fill in an online declaration form on your smartphone. After your test, you have to be at the waiting area to wait for your SMS test results. You'll be given this paper for check-in. Test done at 11:15, 1:30 check-in. With some time to kill, it's only logical to go to MBS to enjoy our lunch. There's no need for me to tell you where to get these xiao long baos, right? I surely enjoy this bowl of hot and sour soup. It is best to consume it while it is still hot. This crispy golden prawn pancake is simply heavenly. We have enough time on our hands to play with food and enjoy the xiao long baos slowly. And this bowl of special braised beef noodle is really not too bad. If you have a card with UOB Bank, there's a promotion right now. They've ran out of the red bean buns, so I was given this dessert instead. We are back to the Marina Bay Cruise Center in time for check-in. You will have to collect your Tracy, which is slightly bigger than a 50-cent coin. Take care of your Tracy. If you lose it, you'll be fined $25. Now it's the time to board. Are you excited? The testing and embarkation process has been a breeze. I can't wait to show you more inside the cruise ship. My room is on deck 8. Let's go there now. It's a nice room with carpeted floor. There is a sofa and a queen-size bed. Let's check out the balcony and see the view. There are 2 chairs and a small coffee table too. You may be wondering, how's the bathroom? Well, it looks clean and nice, with all that you need provided. The flat panel TV looks great. Hey, look, there's a safe in the wardrobe too. Remember to close the balcony door before you press the left round button to cool the room. The phone, coffee and tea packets should come in handy sometime. There are bottles of water and cups for your use. Use the Dream Cruise mobile app to check out the list of activities. Once you're done with your luggage, quickly go to Deck 6 and check out the offerings available. If you like the payable packages provided by restaurants, you can place your reservations with them here. But we know what we want, right? We want the classic $95 drinks package for selected beers, house wines, coffee and tea, chilled juices, and many more. While we take note of alcohol consumption timings, we can have non-alcoholic beverages throughout the trip. This orange P2 sticker is one of the best stickers you can have on your card. The drinks package comes with unlimited internet access for 24 hours, and this is your Wi-Fi code to use in the app. Remember to queue for jacuzzi and swimming pool slots at main pool deck 16. Besides drinks, you can get peanuts too from any bar counters. I can also take a cup of red wine back to my room to enjoy in private. Before I get really drunk, I think I should enjoy a theatre performance. After the performance, you can exit the theatre through deck 6 and roam around. Our hands should never be empty, especially after the drinks package we have paid for. There are many good shopping offers at Deck 7, the Dream Boutiques. Do check it out. If you like this brand, you may find a watch you really like here. These are Omega watches, by the way. After some window shopping, I'm hungry. We are now at the Lido for some international Halal cuisine. I like the prawns and the beef. They look and taste good.
Dream Cruise has hosted me for the past 1 hour. The free flow of 1 hour, anything goes well.
This bowl of prawn noodles is not bad too. Haha, we just need to get more wine. If you're up for some exercise, please join these exciting training sessions. Before we know it, it's evening. Enjoy the view. As time passes, we got hungry again, and it's time for some Chinese cuisine. This is the menu. Looks good, isn't it? The BBQ roasted duck is surely fatty and yummy. Some yellow cucumber pork rib soup for you, sir. How about some braised eggplant with pork belly? The food looks delicious, yeah? This is the creamy red bean dessert with lily bulb and lotus seed. Considering more drinks? Haha. Relaxing pool time.
And go forward, second movement. Yeah, good. And now to the right. Third movement, no, with the third movement. 2, 3, check your 1, 2, 3, check your 1.
1, open, check your 1, 2, 3, one more time from the top, 2, 3, check your 1. It's very important fast, yeah, leave your feet back.
Looking at how scrawny this crane is, I'm getting hungry again. After a short walk from the pool, we are at the Lido again for finger food. Want to try your luck at this machine? How about joining all my godmothers for slots? Feeling lucky? Try this. Guess what's this drink I got from the bar? Learn these gangster poses to win money. It's the beautiful morning again. We are now docked in the calm South China Sea, beautiful and serene. At this dining room, we failed to get a table for breakfast, so we made our way to the Lido instead. There are many tables at the Lido, you are sure to get one. For your information, this German ship is less than 5 years old. Passing by the sun deck bar, I will need another bottle of beer. It's another happy, sunny day. For families with children, you are sure to get a great time here. Joggers need not worry. You have your jogging track here. The view of the endless sea is magnificent, isn't it? At the many places that you go to, you need to tap your access card on this sensor. There are some activities at the Zouk Beach Club this morning. Let's hear the sounds and get into the mood.
Tail, lift it up and put it down gently to remove the excess water. Not yet. 3, 2, 1, shoot! Okay, keep shooting, remove the excess water.
The Zouk private party deck looks cool, isn't it? Hey, you want to come join me for some sun?
Behind these red buckets.
Yes, seawater can be this blue. Shall we check out the VR experience? Nope, I changed my mind. Your kids will have a fun time at the water slide park.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Okay, this we can try with music.
Some dance classes to start off your day? No problem.
Oh. 1 and 2. Yes, go. 1.
Want to try your luck with World Dream Bingo? I think taking a short rest in the room would be a better idea. Now, it's time for lunch. And nobody's rejecting a cup of sparkling wine. Desserts to end off the meal is a must. And you can never go wrong with fruits. I need a drink at Palm Court, and it's going to be Earl Grey tea. Now look at the sports you can do at Deck 18. Let's take a closer look at the water slide. There is a nice couch area here. Now I'm waiting to hear from the singing group, twice as nice, at the Zodiac Theatre.
Just the same for you and me. children. We are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. Here's a trust we began. We're saving our lives. It's true, we'll make a better day. Just you and me. It's good thing the match.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Sally and Wesley. Come on, everybody. Louder and say bye-bye for now.
Look at all those $1 coins. You think you can win them? And it's time for dinner. This is the salmon salad, creamy pumpkin soup, beef as the main course, and tiramisu for dessert. After dinner, it's time for more shopping. There are really some good deals here. We need to get drinks again. Still in the South China Sea, I wonder how's the view at night. It is pitch black outside. It's almost certain to have a fun time drunk at night. I'm still in the mood to listen to the calming sea waves. With daybreak, it is time to get ready to go home. While we are now in Singapore waters, it is time now to have breakfast. The queue for dim sum took a short while, but we are now ready at our breakfast table. We have a bowl of porridge, hagao, noodles, meat bun and kaya bun, some fritters, and that's it. Back in my room, I go out to the balcony again. We are now back in Singapore. Overall, this cruise to nowhere has been fun. Would I do it again? Maybe, maybe not. Looking at the calm sea waters is definitely therapeutic, and it is a good distraction away from work. And now it's time to pay with your Dream Cruises app. Tap on Quick Pay with your app. Then when the browser opens, tap on Pay Charges Now. You can pay using Alipay, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, or JCB. Check your billings, and if everything is fine, fill in your credit card details. Submit and wait patiently. There is no SMS verification needed. And honestly, what are the good things about this cruise? The rooms are much better than the cruise that I had more than 10 years ago, and the drinks package is definitely good. We had a lot of drinks and it's fun, so no complaints. I recommend to do it at least once in your life, and if there's a good promotion price, I will do it again. I am grateful for all the wonderful memories I've made on this cruise ship. Thank you, Dream Cruises. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come.